Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure your Dyson V6 is powered off and unplugged. Start by locating the battery release button, which is situated at the back of the vacuum. Press the button to remove the old battery. Next, take your T15 Torx screwdriver and remove the screws securing the battery compartment. There are typically 3 screws, so be sure to keep them in a safe place. As you unscrew, remember to check for any dust or debris buildup inside the compartment. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the compartment cover. At this stage, you might notice some internal components that could use a clean. Using a soft cloth, carefully wipe away any dust. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum. Now, take your compatible new battery. Align it properly with the connectors inside the compartment. If you're uncertain, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services can help clarify any doubts. Secure the new battery in place by replacing the compartment cover. Tighten the screws you removed earlier with your T15 Torx screwdriver. Make sure they are snug but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the screws or the compartment. After securing the screws, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it back in, and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to deal with any transportation hassle. Now, if you find that you don't have all the necessary tools or the time to perform this maintenance, keep in mind that we also provide a quote before repair. This means you can have a clear idea of costs involved without any surprises. With your vacuum now operational, take a moment to appreciate the savings you've made by opting for a compatible battery instead of an original one. Regular maintenance like this can prolong the life of your Dyson V6 significantly. Don't forget to keep an eye on the performance and replace the battery when necessary to ensure optimal operation. Finally, as you conclude this task, remember that keeping your appliances in top shape is essential. Ensuring that your Dyson V6 is running efficiently not only saves you money but also enhances your cleaning experience. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and as always, feel free to reach out for any assistance you may need during your maintenance tasks. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to handle battery replacements with ease. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.